Hi there. In this video, I'll show you how to update the connection used by a table in a dataset. This is especially useful when you're working with mirrored or regionally distributed data sources that share the same structure. It allows you to quickly switch to an alternate connection while keeping your dataset and any workbooks that use it fully intact. Let's say you're working with a dataset connected to US West Sales DB. In this example, we've got 4 tables: sales, customers, products, and channels. Now imagine you need to switch the connection from one of these tables, maybe to point it to a regional mirror with the same structure, with our new feature that's easy and safe. Just right-click on the table node in the Join Editor and choose Replace Connection from the drop-down menu. The system will show you a list of other connections that include similar sources. In our case, we'll select US East Sales DB. Click Validate to make sure the new connection has the same schema, table, and structure as your current one. The validation will confirm that everything matches. Same table, same columns, same types. So we're good to go. Click Replace, and just like that, the connection is updated. The system fetches a new sample from the updated source and refreshes the data quality insights so you can see everything's working as expected. As best practice, we encourage users to open Edit Definition and give the updated table a quick review, just to confirm everything looks all right. And that's it, a quick and confident way to shift your table to a compatible connection without breaking your dataset. Thank you for your time.